Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we'll be making a very simple, tasty meal, one of Jamaica's favorite. So let's get this started, guys. So here we have our corn, our minced beef. Well, for those who have a problem with their pressure, you can follow this step. Simple, get a pot, fill it up with water, put your beef in, boil it up for about 3 minutes to get out the excessive salt that will be detrimental to your health. Right, and then after doing that, you strain it. You have a plastic spoon to press out the water so it gets out the content. And then over here we have some basmati rice being prepped on the side. You'll see the final result. In addition, of course, you're going to be needing your chopped onions, tomatoes, sweet pepper, scallion, and a little garlic, of course, to get the pot spicy and bigger sauce pot here. So most definitely you want to get your simple natural coconut oil, guys. 100% coconut oil. So you can see some steam rising. I don't know if you can see, guys, steam rising. So we're gonna put once you get your oil going, we'll drop our seasoning. Yeah, so make sure we get all of that goodness in the pot. Make sure that simmer for a little to get the flavor into the oil. So make sure you put some cayenne pepper for extra spice, of course, good for your health. So we'll put a little in. Okay, so you can see the goodness coming out in the oil. Yes, all those lovely tomato sauce getting all wet and nice in the pot here. So next we up is our minced beef. And make sure we give that a stir. So make sure we get that going. Get that fire up. You can see it's going on fine. Sometimes it may get a little dry because you don't use a lot of oil, so you can tip a little water, so it doesn't burn. That should be fine. At this point, we're going to put some sauce in it. We're going to put a little open pit, barbecue style. So here we see the steam, guys. So it has fairly simmered down. So we got some flavor in. So at this point, we're going to add in our sauce. So we'll add a little barbecue and a small amount of tomato ketchup. Then we get that spoon in and we mix it in and turn about the fire here. Yeah. We just turn on the fire for some time for the seasoning, to mellow into the minced beef, Okay, you want to extract as much flavor from that seasoning. So at this point, we're going to add a little water again. It's a very small amount to let it simmer down a little more. Extract more flavor from the, we don't want it to burn either. And we'll see what the result is. Here we can see the result. We have let it simmer a little longer with the extra water added. As you can see, it's looking very lovely right now. So we should be expecting a very tasty minced beef at this point, or corned beef at this point. But I wouldn't say corn because we have removed excessive salt. Over here, as you can see, rice is soon to be ready, guys. You can see that it's ready to go, guys. Yeah, give it a little taste here. It's good to go. Let's turn up by the heat a little. With the final push. To get this consistency of rice, it's a simple 1-to-1 ratio. 4 cups of rice to 4 cups of water, guys. I simply used my regular teacup here, and I use the general measurement of the rice cup. So you need nothing more than that, guys, to have this consistency of shelly rice. Some person will go, how am I going to get the rice so shelly? Well, this is how you get it. There you have it, guys. Simple but effective meal. Very tasty too. Make sure to try this recipe. It's a favorite in Jamaica. there you have it, guys, another tasty meal to enjoy. Well, thank you for watching, and make sure to give a thumbs up and to support the channel, you know, subscribe, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video, guys, and make sure to leave a comment. Let me know what spice or twist would you add to this meal. Definitely very simple but effective and tasty meal. So see you guys on the next video.